Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Shazam. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the Shazam app. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.